marathon water heater. It's got two bad elements. The bottom one blew out a while ago, and he was just running on the top one, and now he's not getting anything. So they're right behind here. No hot water, no good. They've been out a while. These are look at the size of these things. Thing is huge. And it's surprising it's only 3,800 watts. But yeah, so I could drain it out, or I can let some pressure out, get a bucket, do it, and just do it with the water in it. But I really don't like doing that, just because I've had issues in the past where the elements were like bent, and you try to pull them out and they're not coming out, and then you're just fighting water pouring out of the unit. So I'm just going to drain it out with a pump, because I could drain this thing out in about 5 minutes with this pump. So let's hook this thing up. What a bad spot. All right. 1 7/8 inches. This is going to be 1 7/8 inches. Look at that. Whoa. That's why the element goes bad. See that? Holy moly. Wow. Yeah, that's no good. It's no good. There's a new unit right here. Popsicle sticks. That's what they look like. This guy off here. Yeah, it's definitely no good. That'll burn them out. Elements out. This unit's pretty old too. This is an older marathon water heater. I think this is made by Rheem Manufacturing. Sometimes I get my impact driver. My impact is good. It's not that bad. Alright. See what this guy looks like. Oh, it's just as bad. See, this is the reason why I drain the water heater out. Because now I'm struggling to get this thing out and there's water pouring out. Yeah, sure. Can you do it? Yeah. But look at this. I mean, I'd have water be pouring out of here. Like, just do it when it's... Yeah, see, it's all the way up there. Like, yeah, just do it when it's full of water. Nah. It takes me 5 minutes to drain it. See, so now the unit's all... See? Oh, this one's like completely busted off. Ooh, mama. Look at that. There it is. It's right there. That's where it's busted off. Right there. See it? There. It stinks too. New unit. It's a new element. Yeah, sometimes, just real quick, there's a gasket right here. Make sure that the old gasket comes off with the old one. All right. Sometimes they get stuck inside of here, and then you try to make a seal, and then it starts spraying out. And you gotta drain it all back out again. It's just got to be snug. Just snug. I don't want to over tighten it because it is a rubber gasket. I'll put this back in here. These really don't matter which side it's on. Both sides are powered. This is 240 volts. So power is going to both sides. That should be it. Easy peasy. Let me shut this real quick. And purge most of it out of here, and then we'll purge the actual lines. Did a well pump for this guy a couple months ago. About 3 months ago, we put a well pump in. Yeah, he's got pretty bad water here. It's a lot of calcium buildup. There's a bathroom right over here. Look at all that. Let's set them in there. Check this. Check this real quick. Put these covers back on. Alright. All set. 2 new elements. Starting to warm up now. That looks good. Alright, you're all set.